My name is Breanna Fessenden. I started working at Lippert in the fall of 2020. I started off as a floor-level team member and immediately fell in love with the company. And I had never felt something so nurturing and loving before in a work environment. I know what it feels like to lose absolutely everything that you have and not feel accepted, not feel loved, be turned away by everybody that you love and care about. I've been through several abusive relationships, beginning with my father. I've lost everything. I've lost my house, my car. I'm sorry. I have been homeless on multiple occasions. I've had to walk in the middle of winter over an hour to a job that wouldn't even put food on my table. I'm just trying to make it by. So working here has given me something I've never had, which is the love and support. And that's been absolutely life-altering for me. I struggled with depression and I actually made a couple of attempts on my life. So being here and knowing that it's okay to be me and that I could learn and I could grow without having to be something very specific. I didn't have to be an outline of something that someone had already depicted. I could just be me and that was okay. I gave it everything that I had right off the bat, learned every position they'd allowed me to learn, and moved around the floor pretty quickly. They actually allowed me to get into more than just what a normal team member would get into, which I absolutely loved. I'd never experienced something like that before, so they want to see me grow and be the best me that I can be. And it's unmeasurable, the gratitude and absolute love that I have for this place. The feeling that I got when I was embraced and that I could learn anything that I wanted to learn, and I was coached, and when I asked for help, I received it, and I asked for support and I got it. I wanted to give that to people because I thought it was such a beautiful thing. I would have to say that to work for a company that prioritizes being a force for good is peaceful. If I had to sum it up in one word, knowing that we have the best interest of people at heart and that what we do isn't in vain and that we actually care about people and care about providing something better is amazing. Knowing that we have the ability to change the world even in our small aspects. What motivated me was to create an environment for other people to experience what I had experienced and give people the opportunity to change their life the same way that I had. I don't think I could put words to the relief. To know that every day from here forward, I'd never have to worry about it. I'd never have to worry about coming home and somebody putting their hands on me, and I never have to worry about being talked down to and people crushing my hopes and dreams all the time. I know that I don't have to tolerate that behavior. I know that my daughter will never have to experience that. And to give her a life that I never had is it's the most beautiful thing in the entire world.